I'm Sunny here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I am going to give you a tutorial of how to make ting ya mabele. Well, the reason why I also call myself Lekala Motswana is that for the fact that I take full pride in me being Motswana, I mean, like, we are the best tribes in South Africa, in the world, like, literally. But anyways, on this video, I'm going to show you my tutorial of how to ferment ting, because a lot of times I be craving things so bad, and unfortunately, most of the shops that are like surrounding me or surrounding us are like bougie, like they don't have ting, like you can't go to Woolies Food and then you're gonna be like, guys, go buy ting. They're gonna be like, even I doubt Barrick Sama go Woolies, if I'm being honest. But anyways, that's like another story for another day. But for example, you can be fortunate enough, you can get ting like your Spar, your Checkers, your ShopRite, your Pick and Pay, but like it actually depends on the area that you live in. So if you live in a bougie one, I doubt you're gonna get that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video, and please also don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, do the most. So the first thing that you do is take your potato, cut into wedges. Thank you very much for watching my video. So before I close off my video of how to ferment ting, the same method I showed you how to prepare ting, like you put it outside at the sun for like 3 days, you take out the potato wedges, blah blah blah, this and that. It's quite easy to cook ting as well, like the same way that you cook mosok, or what you call pap. Like you boil water in the kettle, ketlele, it's a pizza, pa, you put it on 8, you put in like that hot water from the kettle, telameti, and then like scoop by scoop, spoon by spoon, sounds better. Yeah, spoon by spoon. Like what's that spoon say what telemoting or fruit, you stir up until you're gonna be happy with the consistency. But another trick is like don't make your thing to be medium soft, because of by the time when it starts to cook on its own, it's gonna harden. Because I get like this fermentation happening, or fermentation that happened more than I think. So it's pretty easy and pretty nice and pretty yummy to cook ting. It's an African delicacy, something that I grew up eating all my life. I'm gonna be 29 years old this year, and it's literally one thing that I've been eating ever since I was like a year old. And I like things like so nice, so versatile, so delicious. You can have it with pap. No, you can have, what the f am I saying? You can have thing with like cabbage, ka mogodu, ka rice, ka stew, with milk. You can have it with just water actually. And this is also when I was growing up, or like whenever I had like a runny tummy or running stomach, my mom used to take ting. Well, she still does actually. She takes like ting, a bit of sugar and warm water. We call it mofokotso, kastswan. So like you're gonna be fuller for longer, and it's like so nice, so yummy. And one thing that I also love about ting is that it becomes fresh literally forever. You can cook ting on Monday and then put it in the fridge by Thursday, put it in the microwave, still fresh, still yummy, still tasty. So I stand for ting. Lekala Motswana signing out. Bye bye.